To be here with other queer people is very meaningful for me because it shows our community, how strong we are together and we are fighting for our rights.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Germany.
I'm from Hong Kong.
I'm from Poland.
I'm from Moscow, Russia.
I'm here because he's WorldPride.
For fight to my rights, the human rights.
I'm a refugee. I got the problems in my country because I'm gay.
As an Asian, it's very rare to join Pride, especially in Hong Kong. So whenever I have a chance, I will fly to here to join the Pride for everyone to celebrate our proud identity.
With this walk, I think my aim is to feel like I belong and like I can also show support to other queer people and make them feel like they also belong.
Poland is actually one of the most homophobic countries in the European Union. Together we are stronger, and thanks to other countries, other communities, we can have the same rights, I hope, one day.
Everything what we fight for is here.
We are all living on this planet and we need to do it together.
Pride is a celebration of love and the right to love.
Love for me is safety.
Love is without boundaries.
Understanding, acceptance.
Love is democracy.
And I think that's a big part of World Pride, because we are the world.